How to delete history from Google Maps on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the Google Maps application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the top right corner and tap on your profile. Then, go to Settings as shown. Scroll down to the Account Settings section and go to Maps History. You will then be redirected to the Maps Activity page. The Maps activity you keep is used to improve your experience. You can see your activity, delete it manually, or choose to delete it automatically using the controls on this page. Here, tap on the Delete button as shown. Now, choose a time range from here. For example, delete all time. Then, tap on Delete below. This means that your selected Maps activity will be permanently deleted. You have now successfully deleted the history. Tap on Got It. Following these steps, you can easily delete history from Google Maps on iPhone.